Now that you have configured the menu for your contract, let's delve into creating a menu-driven requisition. Start by navigating to the dashboard. Click New, then select Requisition, and proceed to click Create. This sequence directs you to the Ports Choice tab, where you input information to generate your requisition. At the top right, click the drop-down arrow. Drag down the slider that appears and choose the requisition type, Provisions, at the bottom of the list. Select the arrival date by clicking the left date selector. For this training, set it as December 1st. Next, click the right date selector to input the departure date. For this training, the departure date will be December 9. Use the right arrow if the date is not visible to advance to the next month. Select and click the date. Now, choose the delivery port from the drop-down list. For example, let's pick up Enra, Denmark. In the How Long Supply Last field, input the number of days. For this training, provisions should be calculated for 90 days. If expecting extra crew or visitors, input the number, otherwise, leave it at 0. Providing the agent's information at the bottom is optional. You can leave this part blank. At the bottom, choose Menu-Driven Requisition for regular, periodic, or bulk reprovisioning. Click the Menu-Driven Requisition tab to proceed to the Products tab. Here, you can edit items and ingredients based on your second task's menu. Items and quantities for your requisition are automatically added based on the scheduled menu, crew count, and the indicated provisions duration. Note that perishable items are for a maximum of 21 days. To edit, let us assume changing the quantity of ground beef. Click and drag your mouse over the number and update the quantity. For this training, change the quantity from 17 to 20. Repeat for other items, for example, change the quantity of beef oxtail from 44 to 50. Similarly, change the quantity of pork belly. Click and drag your mouse over the number and change the pork belly slab quantity from 38 to 50. Now, let us try to delete items from your list. Let's say we want to delete ground pork. Scroll your mouse to locate the item down the list. Then, click on the waste bin icon. Pay attention when deleting items, ensure it is properly done. Check for the disappearance of the item name from the screen, as cooks may overlook changes on the screen. To view your shopping list, click on the View Cart button. The View Cart tab is the same as the list in the Add Products tab. The only difference is that you cannot add any items unless you return to the Add Products tab. If you need to pause on the ordering process and to leave your computer unattended, it is essential to close NERIS completely, especially if other crew members might use the same computer. To save your requisition, click on the 3 small circles, and then select Save as Draft. Your requisition will now be saved. This ensures that your requisition is saved, allowing you to return to it later. After completing your provision requisition, the next step is to submit it to the captain for approval in the NERIS system. Your requisition is now on the captain's NERIS screen for submission to Oceanic. It is also stored in the archive file in case the captain needs to make changes. Pay attention, always check your work before submitting. This will minimize the need for possible revisions. Always inform the captain before submitting the requisition.